Okay, can you preheat the oven to 400 degrees?
I'm saying we have lime and butter ourselves, unless you're gonna eat it there.
That's true, you're right.
Oh, it looks like French toast. Show them the sides.
Oh, show them the side. Oh, yeah. It does look like French toast.
It just looks like a fat piece of bread. Lemon butter sauce.
Oh.
So there basically is no sauce. It's just lemon and butter. How are you gonna take it out? Aren't you not supposed to get...
Smells like pasta.
Instead of marinara sauce, it's butter and lemon. And then the cheese on top, and then it has lobster.
How much did this set you back? $30?
Mm-hmm.
Lobster is good.
You like it? That was 29, this was 31.